Hi, I'm Don Vandermeer with FLOE. I've been around boats my whole life and I know they can be quite the investment. We at FLOE have learned a lot about how to keep those investments in pristine condition and to maximize their value. If you have a lake home, you probably prefer to keep your boat on the water and ready to use. And that's why lifts have become so popular. FLOE has a wide range of lifts for virtually any type of boat. From a small personal watercraft to the largest pontoons with weights up to 10,000 pounds, FLOE has you covered. When it comes to boat and pontoon lifts, they are definitely not created equal. FLOE lifts have many considerable differences that sets them apart from the others, such as a vertical screwdrive or VSD lift. VSD lifts utilize an industrial strength ball screw and ball nut, along with a gear head motor to move the lift cradle up and down. It's very fast and whisper quiet. Also, the power transmission of a ball screw is extremely efficient, which means minimal friction and power use. VSD lifts eliminate the spooling winch cable that can wear out and break, as well as hydraulics that can eventually leak, causing many problems and high repair costs. As you can see, with VSD, you can eliminate the loud clicking noise that drives everybody crazy, or ever have to worry about hydraulic fluid leaking. FLOE lifts are fully engineered and made entirely from a custom extruded aluminum made specifically for its intended use. And because aluminum is lightweight and doesn't rust, it's the perfect material for boat lift construction. Our bolt-together design eliminates structural welds that can fatigue and crack over time. And in order to minimize corrosion and extend the life of the lift, we use stainless steel cables and aluminum fasteners on all of our lifts. FLOE's V-brace frame design allows for easy access to your boat and is the most rigid frame in the industry. If you add the adjustable access step, it makes it even easier. FLOE electric lifts have a 30-foot wired remote with a key switch, so you can turn your lift off and remove the key when you're away. We also offer an optional wireless remote so you can have your boat in the water before you even get to the dock. FLOE's invention of Easy Level legs takes all the hard work out of installing and leveling your lift. With Easy Level, you can easily adjust the frame of your lift with a cordless drill. Also, each leg has a measuring tape to reference the other legs to get a perfectly level lift. And you don't need multiple people in the water lifting the lift frame and struggling to put a pin in a corroded leg adjustment hole. Another thing that sets FLOE apart from other vertical lifts is the way the end cradle beams drop to the outside of the main lift frame. This allows the cradle of the lift to drop further and work in shallow water situations where the competitors' lifts won't work. If you remove the lift seasonally, Easy Level legs work great in conjunction with the optional boat lift wheel kit. During fall removal, you can simply lower the lift onto the wheel kits and roll it out, and vice versa in the spring. This makes what typically is a very difficult job extremely easy. Once you've decided on the lift model, you'll want to equip it with bunks to hold your boat, as well as guidance to simplify getting in and out of the lift. For V-hull boats, full-length bunks give you the best support and stability for your hull. They contour to your boat, and the top surface is a thick extruded vinyl that is engineered to fit into the aluminum extrusion. This surface will protect your boat from scratches and never wear out or need maintenance that is common with wood or carpeted bunks. FLOE bunks are adjustable horizontally and vertically with FLOE's infinite adjustment system to fit your watercraft perfectly. If you have a pontoon, our combination Bunk Guidance system works great if you have at least 3 feet of water. They act as a guide along the inside of your pontoons as you enter and exit the lift, and raise your pontoon by the frame instead of the pontoons. You can also choose from cradle pad bunks or full-length bunks that lift from the underside of the pontoons. To help you enter and exit your lift and to protect your boat from scuffs and abrasions, it's always a good idea to add guidance. ProPark vertical guides come in single and double models, and the Perfect Park Guidance system provides the ultimate protection. They let you decide how many uprights to have and place them exactly where you want them. Precision Park horizontal guidance use full-length carpeted horizontal guides as well as vertical uprights. They also adjust both vertically and horizontally for different boat heights. Your FLOE dealer will be happy to recommend the ideal bunk and guidance setup for you. Other options for FLOE lifts include motor stops to keep your boat from floating through the lifts, an adjustable bow stop, or the bow flex positioning system that helps you position your boat in the same spot every time. One thing we have that nobody else has is FLOE's float and roll system. It can float your lift right into position in the spring and right back out in the fall. It has both floats and wheels, making it the ultimate amphibious installation and removal tool. It's always a good idea to equip your battery power lift with a solar panel system. Your batteries will last much longer if they are continuously maintained and charged. Plus, you'll have confidence that your lift is ready to serve you the moment you push the remote button. FLOE canopies are second to none and are available in both AirMax and Maxis styles. AirMax canopies have 32 inches of depth on the side to keep most water out and provide excellent protection from the sun. Maxis canopies have an incredibly deep 64-inch side and are designed for water sports boats with towers, as well as boats with bimini tops. Both AirMax and Maxis canopies are made from a premium solution-dyed fabric and are available in various colors. They also incorporate a mesh end to promote airflow and dry any dew from your boat quicker, and to reduce the potential for damage from severe winds. The fabrics are secured with our patented quick clip and tension belt. It's super fast for installing and removing the fabric, and it allows you to adjust the tension so that the fabric looks tight with a tailored fit. There's nothing worse than having to look at a loose, wrinkly fabric that doesn't fit the frame properly. It doesn't matter what type of FLOE vertical lift you buy, you'll know you have an easy to use, low maintenance, great looking and long lasting boat lift. So sit back, relax, and have a worry-free summer at the lake.